Hi, we're here today in sunny Worcester with Severn Trent Water, where we're going to be highlighting the M300s, the new DJI drone, specifically for inspection. Today we're going to be looking at key inspection features such as the AI hotspot and also the quick inspection tools that it now offers.
Hello, I'm Duncan Turner. I'm the drone team lead at Severn Trent Water. I've been really interested in seeing the new Matrice 300 today and its flight capabilities and also the new sensors that it can carry. The new sensor looks like it can offer really high quality stabilised imaging from a substantial difference, which is a big upgrade on the previous version. A main application for this drone would be inspections on the sites. This would allow us to get in close up on the areas that we aren't able to fly into, such as some of the danger zones. This would allow us then to get a really close up inspection work, which we've previously not been able to achieve with the current drone hardware. Having the opportunity to use drones to help us innovate is a really important area, because this allows us to push the savings that we make out in the field down to our customers, and at the end of the day it's all about what we can do to give our customers the best value for money for the service that we provide to them. Yeah, so the work we've done today inspecting the solar field here, this allows us to run the solar field at a maximum efficiency, giving us a benefit for the site and then a knock-on benefit to our customers as well, saving them money in the long run.